Okay, guys, this is part 2 of 2016 blizzard. This is New York City. This is Brooklyn. Yes.
What?
We are
You
big.
didn't tell me you were recording.
Alright? This is my son in the snow, making what he calls a snow angel. You need to put your hat on your head.
I will.
Now!
Replay the video.
You know what? We're getting ready to go home. Because you're doing some crazy stuff to me right now. And it's like he don't get it.
Hey, Mom.
This is snow.
Can you replay the video?
And now he done let snow get all up in his, give me this. He let snow get all up in his hat. I don't know why he did that.
Alright.
Put your hat on your head, please.
I will. Can you replay the video?
Because he know I'm not going to replay anything. You. Now get up. He wants to go in this playground. Okay? He wants to go in this playground where it has this, the snow is like a mountain. We got to track up. You see what we got to walk through to get to that playground? It's like being in the Sahara Desert. I want you to see. This is how deep the snow is. It's by my calf. All right. I'm going to step in here again. My son wants to go in here. Look at him. Look at him. In this park. It's like this is the infamous park. You see? Okay. Oh my gosh. Ah. You see the snow? I'm going to put my feet right, just one leg right in here. I'm going to show y'all. Boom. You see where it's at? I'm going to put my knee. That's so you can see. That's how deep the snow is. And I'm not touching the ground. I'm going to take a snapshot of this. Okay. Here. So this is my son going up on the slide.
No, I'm not.
Like, what is he doing? Hey, no. Oh, gosh. Yes. So, it's that deep. It's that deep. It's that deep. So, oh my gosh. He's having a good time. I mean, for me to allow him to miss this. And the thing is, he has asthma. He has asthma, but like with any kid, he wants, there's no way he's gonna want to miss this. And the thing is, I have to cut his playtime short because of the asthma. Okay.
Hey, Mom, look at this.
So he wants me to look. Oh Lord. He just be doing too much.
Well, I didn't want Arson right the first time. No. What is that?
I'm trying to take a picture of you with the snow.
I know what you're recording.
Come right here, something. In the clean one.
Alright.
Come on, Jacob, because I'm going to have to, like, really cut this short, sweetie. Okay. Give me the 2 piece. Look at me. I'm taking a picture right now. Don't move. Okay. I'm done taking a picture. He's like, can I get a breather? Oh gosh. Jacob is having too much fun.
Heck right I am.
Oh gosh. Yup, here I am again. I remember being, I don't know what year it was. That same snow situation. Huh?
Watch out.
Don't throw me.
Oh no!
I'm gonna take a picture of this, guys. This snow is cold. That shit is cold. I took my gloves off. I don't know what I was thinking. All right, I'm gonna let y'all go because this cold, or rather, this ice is extremely. The snow is cold. The snow is. I mean, of course, it's gonna be cold, but it's cold out here. It's cold out here. It's not bitter cold, but it's pretty cold. It's like a comfort cold. I don't know. But anyway, yes. So guys, on that note, come on, Jay. We're gonna have to go. Just look at you. You do too much. Come on. Oh gosh, I'm sorry that it's so shaky. I'm getting all these pictures of him. Oh Lord, I can ask you to hold the video for me,
Okay.
but I don't know if he's gonna. I want to show y'all something. Oh, come on, Jacob. Let's go. We're gonna go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Hold this video for me. Point it. Get up. I'm trying to show you guys something. I want to show you guys something. Okay, I'm gonna see if you can hold this for me. Okay, so you hold it on me.
Can I at least sit?
Just hold it on me. Hold it on me.
I am.
Can you see it on me?
Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna go right here. Follow me. Stay right there. Okay. You see where I'm at with this? This is how deep. This is how deep the snow is. This is how deep the snow is. Okay? This is how deep. Yes. This is how deep this snow is. It's up to the knee. It's up to my knee. See? Almost in my cap. So I just want to show you guys, you know, how high this snow is.
And look how high the snow is from me.
It's real high. So you got the video on me? Is it showing me?
Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm gonna put my foot right here. Okay? See that? Put my foot right here again. I'm now gonna bend. See how deep it is? Alright guys. It's like the Sahara Desert. Okay, so
Now look at me.
my baby held a video for me.
This is how deep it is.
Yeah. Alright guys, so this is Miss Tell It Like It Is, Miss Collins,
Tell it like it is.
signing off
Signing up.
in the Boogie Down Brooklyn.
Down.
I know they call it Boogie Down Bronx, right? But this ain't the Bronx. This is Brooklyn. This is Brooklyn. Pt2. Back to the sky. Brownville. Yeah. Yeah. Word to the bird.
Your introductions are corny.
Oh, God. Anyway, guys, it was a pleasure. So stay safe. If you're in the midst of this snowstorm or in the midst of this, if this is, you know, affected your borough, you know, stay safe. Be careful with the shoveling. Stay positive. Stay focused.
Look at my feet.
Have fun. But most of all,
Put the camera on my feet.
my son would put his camera on his feet.
Look at this. Look. I can't even get out.
Stay blessed.